the real purpose of life coaching. When people ask, what's the purpose of a life coach? You'll find all sorts of vague and fluffy definitions out there. Things like to empower and transform people's lives. But let's be honest, how exactly do you transform someone else's life? What if they don't want to transform? What if they just want to feel a little better in their current circumstances? You can't change someone else's life, not your partner's, not your family's, not your clients'. That responsibility lies with them. What you can do as a coach is help people become more aware, more responsible, more decisive, more consistent, and more integral in how they live. The starting point is always self-awareness. If someone's unaware of their thinking, their biases, or how their behaviors affect others, they're stuck. No real change happens until they become aware of how they're living and why. Then comes decisiveness. Every one of us is where we are because of the decisions we've made, consciously or unconsciously. Coaching helps people see that clearly and take ownership. Next is consistency. Is your client showing up reliably in their life? Or are they flaky, starting things but never finishing? Coaching can challenge that with truth, not fluff. And finally, strength of character, maturity, responsibility, perseverance, integrity. That's what progress really looks like. It's not glamorous. It's not YouTube motivation. It's quiet, steady growth. So no, coaching isn't about making promises or selling transformations. It's about helping people make wiser, more consistent choices that reflect who they are choosing to become. This little talk is based on Kain Ramsay's life coaching practitioner course, which you can find on the Ecology website. Cheers.